Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm sure you've read the description, you know what this is, or the title, and you know what this one is. This one's one of my personal favorites. This is a Marlin Model 39A. Very classic, very nostalgic, very great rifle. 22 long rifle, short or long. Holds a ton of ammo. It's got, holds 18 long rifles, holds something like 21 or 22 shorts. Lever action, of course, takedown, so take that out and it just twists off there. This one was made in 1951, has the original Marlin 4-power micro view scope on it. I've actually got a video on there that I did a couple years ago with this, but I wanted to get it, bring it back out onto this range, and let's see what it can do. I've already got it loaded up, so let's start short here. Now, let's do that orange gong on the tree, left tree there. Let's do the orange gong on the right tree. It's a little smaller. We had to take a quick break. A real squirrel went across the range, and it's not squirrel season, so we didn't shoot it. Okay, let's make some bottles dance. This thing holds so many rounds that I lost count and I thought I was out. And I'm like, no, it's still got bullets in it. But this one is very fun to shoot. I have to edit out loading just because it takes so long because it holds so many. But in reality, no, I'm not. Because if I have to sit here through it, so do you. All right. Now, let's see if I can hit that big pink one way down there. That's 75 yards. I don't know why the scope is not great. Let's make some bottles dance on the right side. And that pink bottle doesn't move much when you shoot it. Come out there. Let's do that little gong. Back to the squirrel. Man, I keep shooting and shooting and shooting. Let's see. Let's go back to the big pink one down there. I don't know how many I got left, but let's see if I can finally get that. There we go. Oh, last one. So, the scope is not good. It's not clear. I'm sure in 1951 it was top of the line. I don't know who made the scope for Marlin or if Marlin made them. I've been hesitant to change the scope because it's all original, and I don't hunt with this. But I mean, after today, I might actually put a better scope on it and hunt with it a little bit. But anyways, it's one of my favorite guns. Again, let me know what you think in the comments there. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll see you next time.